The Zoom H4n has 3 modes of operation. Depending on your needs in a handheld recorder, you can use either 2-track mode, 4-track mode, or multi-track mode. To access the different modes, press Menu, then turn the dial to Mode and press the dial in. This will take you to the Mode Selection menu. Turn the dial again to highlight the mode you want to use and press the dial in to select that mode. In 2-track mode, the H4n operates as a standard format 2-track recorder. You can use either the onboard XY stereo pair mics by pressing Mic on the front panel, or if you have a pair of mics you want to use, you can plug into the XLR inputs and press 1-2 on the front panel to use your external mics. You could use the line instrument inputs and record 2 instruments or line sources. You can also use 1 XLR and 1 instrument input and record voice and instrument at the same time. 4-channel mode activates all inputs on the H4n. This allows you to use the internal XY stereo pair mics on tracks 1 and 2 and use the XLR line instrument inputs on tracks 3 and 4 at the same time. This mode places 2 stereo waves in a folder inside the 4-channel folder. There are many uses for this mode. As an example, you could place the H4n in front of 2 acoustic guitars and pick up the acoustic sound with the internal mics, while recording the guitar pickups in tracks 3 and 4 through the instrument inputs. Another use would be when recording, for instance, a choir. You could place the H4n in front of the choir and use the XLR inputs on tracks 3 and 4. Place the external mics on the sides of the choir to pick up the outer or rear voices. When finished, mix the 4 tracks in any DAW or the H4n. In MTR mode, the H4n works as a multi-track recorder. In this mode, any input can be assigned to any track. For instance, you could record on track 1 with the internal mics or any input source, and then overdub on track 2, 3, or 4, again with the internal mics or any input source. The Zoom H4n offers more possibilities and options for recording than any other handheld recorder. So whatever your needs in a handheld recorder, the Zoom H4n will handle the job with an ease of operation never before achieved in a recorder this size. The Zoom H4n brings world-class recording to everyone.